Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to create a full functional economy bot using only one package that is developed by Be Intelligent. He is a helper in the Discord server, and you'll find the link for it in the description in case you need the source code or you need help. Alright, so let's just get into it.
And I want to spend some time with you. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
Alright, so I'm gonna be starting from scratch. I just have this a command handler, simple one. You can check the video. I made a video about it. The ready event, we can even remove it, but I just need it for this. And this is the rest of the command handler and the org stuff, and that's it. I didn't even install any package yet. Alright, so let's start by installing the packages. Alright, so I'm gonna do npm init first, and all of those stuff. Let's say yes. Let's install discord.js. Alright. Now let's npm I Mongoose. Right, just wait. Cool, now let's npm I fs. Alright, so now we are ready to start checking our package. So, here we are. So this is a simple package made, as I said, by Be Intelligent. So I'll be leaving the link for it in the description. Let's start first by installing it. Alright. npm I currency system. So let's see how to set it up. So it says over here const. Okay, let me just copy this part and I'll paste it over here. And it says I need to put here the Mongo URL that it is in config.mongopath. Alright. So now let's check what we can do using this. It also has a example bot. Not every package have this. Alright, this is cool. But let's first check the npm here. So add money, balance. Alright, let's start first by making the balance one. So let's go to commands, create a new folder, let's name it echo. Let's create a new file in here and name it bal.js. Alright, let's put top. Let's name it bal. Alright, so let's go here. We're gonna check this. So instead of each time just creating a new one of those, let's just import it from the index. So I'm gonna just go here in the command.run. I'll just put cs here. Alright, that is this basically. Alright, so let me add it here, cs. So I'm gonna copy this. Here you can see it's very easy to use. Oops, what did I do here? Oops, I copied the whole thing. Let me just copy on top here. Alright, paste. Alright, so here, let me just do like this real quick. Dot, and let's check what we'll get from this. Alright, connected to DB and everything. It probably also connected to database automatically. You don't have to have to do this file that connects you to the database. Anyways, let's now check it out. So I'm gonna do bal. As you can see, UltraX have 0 in wallet, 0 in bank. Alright, that's the first one. We already finished the first one. So let me try to use someone here. Let me do my bot. Alright, as you can see, I can also use ID here. Easy. So now, to make it easier, let's just go ahead and check the example bot. Alright, so let's go here, commands, currency. Alright, so we already did balance, so let's do work. Alright, so as I said, it's very easy. You can just copy this, and let me create a new file, name it work.js /top cs work, and paste. Let me do no dot. Alright, so let's test it. So I'm gonna put here work. You worked as a boss boy and earned $85. Alright, not bad. And here you can set the maximum amount. Alright, so let's say like that. So the rate will be higher. Alright, so work. Now as you can see, I start earning higher. So let's check the second command, but let me first do bell so I can show you that it is moving up, as you can see. Let me try now to do deposit. Alright, here, deposit. Let me copy this, create a new file, name it dep.js, top, add cs, and name it dep. Alright, so I'm gonna just put like this, no dot. I'm not even making any effort, it's just easy. Alright, so now I'm back. So I had to stop recording and come back, basically. So let me just now test the deposit. Alright, so I'm gonna do work because I reset up my money, basically. So I got this much of money. So now let's try to dep like that. Alright, now let's dep all of the money. Alright, so now if I did bell, working. So now let's do withdraw. So withdraw gonna be like this here. Let me now copy this. Alright, so now I'm gonna just create new file, name it withdraw with, and just do top, and then do here with. So I'm gonna just paste as always. It's easy, right? So we just have to thank Target for making it easier for all of us. So now I want to withdraw. I'm gonna just with whole amount. Alright. Did I do something wrong? CS, oops, yeah, I forgot this. Now let's try. Alright. See, now let's check the balance. Perfect. So now we could continue making the rest. Let's do there is here work, we finish, withdraw, we finish, transfer money. Let's do this one. Alright, so I'm gonna just copy this code, come over here, and let's do like give.js. Alright, top, give, add cs, and paste this. Alright, so I'm gonna do transfer money. So give, I want to give my bot as an example. So bot let's give the tutorial bot. But let me check here. It first say that the amount is args1. Alright, so basically gonna be like here. So I'm gonna give tutorial bot 10. Alright, so apparently it is also made to not give anyone any bots coins, and that's a good point. So I'm gonna give my alt coins. If my alt is here, because I don't know if my alt is here. Yep, my alt is here. Alright, did I get an error or something? Client is not defined. Makes sense, to be honest. So client, because I have named it client with a big C. So now let's do it. Oops. 10. Also, there is an error here, I guess. Yep. Alright, so because I didn't enter a valid one, you can just say if there is no like someone, you can just add it here, a try and catch basically. So I'm gonna just troll this over here and return message.channel.send. This isn't a valid user. Alright, in case you will use the ID, because it's, as you saw, I used the ID and didn't work because I didn't actually put in a real ID, so I gave an error. So I just put it in the try and catch. So if this is not a real ID, it's gonna send this. Anyways, let's now try it. So UltraX successfully transferred $10 to Weirdo. If I did bell now, it should be like this. If I did bell Weirdo, $10. Perfect. Alright. So let's check now. Rob. Alright. Let's do Rob. So I'm gonna get this. Create a new file, name it rob.js. Put this rob cs. Alright. Now the minimum amount here is 100. Alright, so let's put the minimum amount as 2. Alright, because my alt don't have that, so you understand what I mean. So bell rob my alt. Oops, bell, I mean rob Weirdo. Alright, let's see. Do you got an error? Client is not defined. That's always alright. I need to check the code before starting it next time. Client. Alright. So rob Weirdo. Alright, so here I robbed Weirdo. That is basically my alt. That was pretty easy and fast. Imagine just making a full economy bot using this. So here more couple stuff you can do. You can put gamble, add money, add item. Alright, you can just do those stuff. For now I'll just finish by making the leaderboard and end the video for this. Alright. So imagine just making a leaderboard with those lines, just 3 lines. Oops. lb.js. Alright, lb cs, and just put this here. And I need to change client. Alright, so client, another client. Alright, now time to start the bot and let's check it out. So Trebot is online, lb. Alright, let's check if there is an error. Alright, message embed is not defined, so let me extract it from here. Message embed. Alright, let's now check it out. Perfect. Basically, if the person is unknown or there's someone in the cache, like there is no place for him, understand what I mean? you're gonna just show unknown. Alright? So, here it will show the first 10 users, but only I only used the bot, me, and my alt, so it just shows those. So what if I added some balance to my alt? Let's try. Let's add 100. Alright, now let's do LB, as you can see. So, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao!